Campania boasts a beautiful, rugged coastline of cliffs that tumble into the twinkling azure sea. And its capital, Naples, is a tourist mecca. And off the Gulf of Naples is the island of Capri, as in Caprese salad. Only mine gets grilled. The key to a really great Caprese salad: big, juicy, ripe tomatoes and the finest of olive oil. And I'm fortunate enough to have some amazing heirloom varieties of tomatoes in all different shapes, sizes, and color, because it's going to add great dimension to my salad. And just a touch of sugar to help those tomatoes char and blister without overcooking and becoming soft. The key is to have a good hot grill, a drizzle of oil, and on they go. And grilling tomatoes like this not only makes them look really good and interesting, it adds a wonderful dimension of extra flavor. And all we need to do is start to cut up these tomatoes. No specific shape. In fact, I think the more irregular and the more unusual the cut, the better. And these big ones, nice, big, gnarly chunks. Now, you simply can't have a Caprese salad without cheese. And this is fresh mozzarella. And mozzarella comes in all different sizes and shapes. In the mainland, they will use mozzarella di bufala, mozzarella made from buffalo milk. But this is made of cow's milk because on the island of Capri, they have no water buffalo. Now, equally as important, beautiful, fresh basil. And this is where you spare no expense on the finest olive oil you can find. Something that has a rich, vegetal, grassy note to it with a lovely peppery finish. And for a tangy, zingy, zesty finish, I like to use a balsamic glaze. And this simple dish is so synonymous to the world as a Caprese salad from the island of Capri. And this one is exceptional. Not just because I made it, because I grilled it. And I am going to find a nice big charred tomato dripping with goodness. It really is three humble ingredients that come together in a spectacular and simple manner.